Yeah, man!
This is a stinking toe fruit. Hit here. Use a hammer to hit the narrow part of the stinking toe fruit here to crack the pod or shell. Find a hard surface. Hit the stinking toe pod, remove the stinking toe fruit. After that, use your fingers. Remove the stinking toe fruit from the pod or shell. This is the stinking toe fruit up close. This is what it looks like. It is easy to break apart. So use your finger and break it apart. Flake it out. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you stinking toe oats condensed milk cereal. You will need 1 cup oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats. 4 between 5 tablespoons condensed milk. 1 between 2 stinking toe fruits, slices of banana, some raisins. You can use any pieces of fruit, grinded nutmeg. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. We're using 1 cup water. Add 4 between 5 tablespoons of condensed milk. Add it proportion by proportion. Stir it in. Taste it to see if it's sweet enough to your liking. However, 4 tablespoons is sweet enough for me. You can use up to 5 tablespoons just to get it sweet just right. Next, use your fingers. Break the stinking toe fruit apart. Remove the seeds. There are 4 between 5 seeds in a fruit, sometimes 3. So use your finger, search for the fruit's seed and remove it. You may use up to 2 stinking toe fruits for this recipe. This fruit had 5 seeds. You may use a food scissors to cut the fruit from the seed. Now put your flaked stinking toe fruit in the 1 cup milk. Oh yes, you can use coconut milk instead. Just measure 1 cup coconut milk and then use that instead of condensed milk and water. Use a spoon, stir it in. If it's lumpy a little bit, that's what you want. It's okay. Measure 1 cup oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats. However, you can use any kind of oats. What you'll do is just add all the ingredients together and allow it to soak for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Add the sliced bananas, and if you're using pieces of fruit, add it at the end when you're about to eat after soaking. This is stinking toe oats condensed milk cereal. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should make the cereal yourself. Give us feedback when you do. What I'm gonna do is pour all the ingredients in this cup and allow it to soak. To make a nice smoothie, use a blender. Blend all the ingredients smooth. Add no sugar. You may pour a teaspoon between a tablespoon of honey in it. You may add mashed peanut or any nut as well. This is after soak. The oats is soft, ready to be eaten. Now would be the best time to add sliced bananas. Add fruit pieces now when you're about to eat the cereal. The flavor of the cereal nears chocolate. You can tell that I used condensed milk. It's a bit sweet than when I used coconut milk. Therefore, use just 4 tablespoons condensed milk. It's delicious. Nutmeg is lost in the cereal, but I taste it. Raisins make it sweet more. The flavor of the cereal is not funky, is not stink. In fact, the flavor reminds me of health food. You know, like when you go into health food stores, you smell that aroma in the store? That's what I'm smelling. Stinking toe is packed with many nutrients. Stinking to Oats Condensed Milk Cereal. Until next time, later. Yeah, man!